Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. And I haven't been out of touch yesterday with the videos and updates and stuff, but I've actually noticed one thing, and that is Pepe. This is not good, This is totally manipulation. Do you remember that we talked about a descending triangle? You moved up, came down, moved up, continue sideways. You broke to the downside. You even made a retest, okay? Even better is that you made a retest to actually come down to 5511, but you never really came down to that technical target. You came actually to 5958, right? So the main target was 5500. Instead, you just came to 5900, and then you pumped back up, and also you went back inside the triangle itself. So this right over here, if you start to see, Pepe in the next coming few days, I do believe that Pepe is eyeing to come up here. And if you break above as well, then there's a little bit of a bullish pattern on the 15 minutes time frame I want to show you very quickly. And that is a bull flag right here. Do you see that? Boom. And you do have something like this. In some cases, you may say that if you combine this and this and this, that also looks like an inverse head and shoulders. Actually, yeah, this does look like an inverse head and shoulders more than a flag. So I'm just going to do that very quickly. You have reversal now. So I'm going to take the trend line here, and this is your neckline, of course. So the neckline shows that if you end up seeing Pepe pushing up like this to 7383 and go down for the retest, then you probably have good chances of going from a technical target now from there to there, and you can actually see a price of 8482, and that's going to be a price increase of 18%. So hopefully we start to break above and retest that 7300. Right now we're sitting at almost 7000. So yeah, let's see if we can do that. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.